Welcome to Art Fun with Mrs. Lombardo. Today we're going to read a story all about color. Then we're going to make our own beautiful rainbow picture. Join us for some fun today. My Crayons Talk by Patricia Hubbard. Talk, talk, my crayons talk. Yakety, clackety, talk, talk, talk. Purple shouts, yum, bubble gum. Brown sings, play, mud pie day. Blue calls, sky, swing so high. Yellow chirps, quick, baby chick. Talk, talk, my crayons talk. Yakety, clackety, talk, talk, talk. Gold brags, fine dress-up time. Silver toots, grand marching parade. Red roars, no, do not go. Green yells, fun, watch me run. Talk, talk, my crayons talk. Yakety, clackety, talk, talk, talk. Orange ass, sweet, may I eat? Black hoots, wise, old owl eyes. White screams, most scary ghost. Pink laughs, clown, pants fall down. Talk, talk, my crayons talk. Yakety, yak, yakety, chit, chat, clackety, yakety, clackety, talk, talk, talk. The end. Now let's have some fun and draw a rainbow picture together. To start our rainbow colored picture, we're going to use red. You can use a crayon or a marker. I'm going to draw in black so you can see it better, and then we'll color it red. Let's make an apple. Make a circle, and you can put a little dent in the top where the stem goes. Draw a skinny stem, and then maybe a green little leaf for our apple there. That looks like a happy little apple, so let's make him a happy face with two eyes and a big smile. There's my red apple. You can easily color it in with a red marker or crayons or colored pencils. I like to outline mine first and then go back and color in with crayons. For orange, I would like to do an orange dreamsicle. Who here likes ice cream? This is an orange ice cream with vanilla inside. So it's an upside down letter U, curve up and around with a bottom on it. And our ice cream needs a stick to hold on to. So there's our ice cream stick with a little curve at the bottom. And this dreamsicle looks absolutely dreamy. And give him a little face. And our dreamsicle is now ready to be colored orange. What would be the next color? Red, orange, yellow. For yellow, we're going to make a little baby chick, just like in the story. So first, make a small circle for the head, 2 eyes, and a little beak. It's a letter V with a top on it. It needs a fat little fluffy body with 2 wings. This is a baby chick, so it has little tiny wings. And 2 legs. 1, 2, and don't forget the little toes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is a cute little chick. I'm going to give him a little feather on the top. And my chick is going to be colored yellow. Yellow. Red, orange, yellow. What color comes next? If you said green, you're right. For green, I'm going to make a beautiful caterpillar. What's special about a caterpillar? Well, they turn into butterflies. So I'm making a bunch of little circles. They're all connected. Make as many as you like. Give it a face. My little caterpillar is going to have some antennas. And then just a couple little legs on each body piece. And there is my green caterpillar. Now you know there's all different shades of green. So I'm going to make mine in a pattern. Let's see if you can guess the pattern. I'm using dark green and light green. So my pattern is dark green, light green, dark green, light green, dark green, light green. Makes an A-B pattern all the way down. Red, orange, yellow, green. What comes next? Blue. Let's make a crayon. Make 2 long lines. Put a top and a bottom. And this makes a rectangle. I'm going to put 1 more line right here. And close that off. That's the end of my crayon. And then down here, I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. This is going to be where the crayon colors. I'm going to put a little line and angle back. From the little line, angle back. Kind of a triangle shape. And this is going to be what color? Blue. If you would like to write blue on your crayon, you can. B, L, U, E, blue. And there is my beautiful blue crayon. And I'm going to use light blue and dark blue on my crayon. The crayon itself is dark blue. Color very carefully in the lines. I'm going to outline my crayon. And then the wrapper is going to be light blue. It's just a slightly lighter shade. And I'm going to outline it and color it in with crayons later. So there it is, all ready to color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. What comes next? Purple. What could be purple? How about a bunny rabbit? Make a nice circle. It needs 2 eyes and a little nose. One more time, we're going to make a letter V with the top on it. Give him a curly Q mouth. Curls up like a letter J. Some whiskers. And what's our bunny missing? Oh, ears. Nice, tall bunny ears. 1, 2. And it needs the pink part inside. So I'm going to draw that in there too. 1, 2. They're like upside down letter U's. And my rabbit can be outlined purple because I want to color it with my crayons in a little bit. I'm going to outline its face. And if you want to color the inside of the ears and the nose pink, you can do that as well. I'm going to do mine now. So pink on the inside of the ears and the nose. So there's my purple bunny. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. What comes next? If you guessed black, well, that's what we're going to do next. Let's do a penguin, an upside down letter U with a bottom on it. It looks a lot like our dreamsicle up here, our popsicle. But here's the difference. We're going to give him a neck and another upside down letter U inside. And that leaves room for a face. 2 eyes and a little beak, a letter V with the top on it. Are you seeing the penguin now? Let's give him a letter U here. That's his belly. Here's 1 flipper, 2 flippers for his little arms, and feet. 1, 2. I drew little lines and then put bottoms on them for the feet. So our cute little penguin here is going to have a little orange nose and little orange feet, but we're going to color him black. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black. What would come next? Brown. I have a hamster in my art room. Her name is Marigold. Let's make a brown hamster. Make an oval. An oval is kind of like a circle that's been squished a little bit, so it's a little flat. And my hamster needs 2 little eyes and a little nose and a smile, some whiskers. She has fat cheeks to hold all her little treats in her mouth and little tiny ears, make round ears. She has a teeny tiny little tail. And how many feet does a hamster have? It has 1, 2 in the front and 1, 2 in the back, 4 all together. And you can make some little fur on your hamster to make it nice and fuzzy like mine is, just by adding some little lines. And there's my furry brown hamster. And I'm going to put some brown on her, just outlining. I'm going to color her little legs and her tiny tail and her little ears. My hamster has a little pink nose, so let's make that. And there we go, a brown hamster. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, brown. The last one we're going to do today is pink. Let's make a Valentine heart. To make a heart, think of the letter M, and M has one hump, two humps on top, but we're going to make ours stretched out a little bit, a really curvy M. Ready? One hump, two humps. There we go. And then we've been making little letter V's for the mouths and beaks and noses of some of these animals. So now I'm going to make another letter V underneath my heart. And I'm going to connect the little M and the V together to make a Valentine heart. This is a very happy heart. There we go. And if you would like to make more small hearts to go with it, you can. You can also make a heart by doing half on one side and then on the other side. Do it any way you like. And lastly, we're going to outline it and get ready to color with crayons. Pink. Color with me and let's have lots of fun. Thank you for joining Art Fun with Mrs. Lombardo. Try to do a little bit of art every day and share what you've learned with someone you love.